New email. Beauty Top. All right.
Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're all well. I'm calling this meeting because we received an audit application from Beauty Top, a clothing chain store. I want to discuss the possibility of accepting Beauty Top as a new client. I did some research, and as far as I know, Beauty Top is one of Australia's listed companies, mainly trading in fashion clothing, with 16 retail stores in Victoria.
Oh yeah, I heard it before.
Yeah, a big company. So in order to make the decision whether we accept or not, we need to do some more research. Any ideas?
Yes, actually we can do some market research related to clothing industry and overall economy for our clients. So I believe it really helps us to get to know more about clients, like risk and reputations.
Also, we can inquire the previous auditor to see the real motivation of changing auditing company.
Yeah, good ideas. Good ideas. However, Wendy, remember to get permission from the Beauty Top before you contact the previous auditor, okay?
Yeah, sure. Hi, is there a previous auditor of the Beauty Top?
Yes, who's there?
I'm the auditor from the KPMG auditing department. I already got permission from Beauty Top to contact you. I'm making this call to inquire use the reason why Beauty Top changed its auditing company. Could you please tell me some information about that?
Oh, yes, sure. They changed the auditing company just because of the auditor rotation policy. I worked for them for 5 years, and they are always cooperative. I think it's a good choice to accept their offer.
Hi everyone, I think we've done enough research to make the decision whether we should accept or not. Wendy and Emma, can you tell everyone what you found in your research?
Yeah, I talked to the previous auditor and he told me that the change of audit company just because the rotation policy. And he thinks it's a good choice to accept Beauty Top as client.
I've done market research and our clients have a good reputation in the industry. However, I noticed that COVID-19 really damaged to Beauty Top business. Customers has no motivation to buy clothes since they are stuck at home.
All right. Thank you, Wendy and Emma. I've also done my research about our team. All our team members are independent and comply with ethical principles. Also, all the chosen auditors have experience auditing in the clothing industry. So I believe we can efficiently work through this. As for the client's performance, well, the whole economy is affected by COVID. According to Emma and Wendy's report, I think we can accept Beauty Top as a client.
Yeah.
To see you, Mr. Wong. I'm Will, the audit manager. These are our team members.
Oh, nice to see you guys.
After a bit of research, we decided to accept your company's request for auditing. Hopefully we can effectively cooperate. We'll send you an engagement letter tomorrow. The scope of the audit, timing of various aspects of the audit, and the overview of the client's responsibilities will be written in the letter. Please confirm this information and feel free to contact me if there are any questions.
And how about the fee arrangement?
That will be in the letter too.
Okay, I'll look at that.
All right, sounds good. Moving on, let's talk about how COVID-19 restrictions have affected your business, given that 16 of your businesses are located in Victoria.
Due to the COVID-19 restrictions, we've closed all the stores and now focused on expanding our new online businesses, which has been quite successful so far. And we expect this to continue into the future.
Action.
All right, guys, I believe we have the basic knowledge of Beauty Top right now. It is time to design the next step. To start our audit, we should access inherent risk by understanding the client. Also, the control risk needs to be evaluated to identify whether Beauty Top has enough control systems to minimize error and fraud.
Yeah, I had experience to assess the client's risk overall. Wendy, would you want to join me?
Yeah, sure, I'm happy to.
I'd like to take control risk and also test corrective internal control.
Hey, Liam, I'm in.
Perfect.
Sounds good, guys. Good job, everyone. After further investigation, we'll have a meeting to discuss our audit strategy further.
Cool.
So yesterday I went through the Beauty Top financial report in 2020, and I noticed that the rent expense compared to 2019, there's a big drop. So it is necessary to do more investigation about that.
Cannot agree more. As Beauty Top's manager mentioned before, they indeed closed all the stores down. Consequently, online business are becoming a key player. Also, I like to collect more information about internal controls from each department of the company, especially IT department.
So any plan?
I asked IT department staffs for accessing to the IT system to collect the records of online sales reports and other electronic data. I will go over this data and to see whether the internal control works effectively.
Seems very nice.
I'm struggling to understand how to document the listed IT system in order to identify the weaknesses of control. I have to do that, but I don't have enough specific knowledge.
Yeah, same as me. IT experts may give us hints. Maybe we should hire one.
Definitely, don't forget to invest in independent experts.
Sure. Found out some suspicious transaction. There were a number of transactions in Beauty Suit. Also, Beauty Suits is the Beauty Top subsidiary company.
Oh, I see. I will keep an eye on these transactions. Can you please further investigate any sales and discount accounts related to Beauty Suit?
Yeah, of course. I found out some discount products were recorded in the sales system at full price.
Oh, that is a serious problem.
So look at this rent expense account and sales account. I believe they are both high risk account.
Yes, I agree. The Beauty Top really has a high inherent risk.
Yeah, we have to report this situation to our audit.
Hi, how's it going? I have bad news. I have to tell you guys, due to the COVID-19, physical stores are all closed, so you can only use online system to investigate the control risk. And we are using the enterprise resource planning, also known as the ERP system, instead of the old system.
Oh no, we are not familiar with the listed ERP system. Do you have any comment?
No, actually, it is the first time we are using it. I'm not familiar with this programming and software development either. So maybe it's better to consult with an expert.
Okay, we'll keep in touch with our IT expert.
The system seems to be newly applied. Isaac, you are the expert. Could you tell me which part of the IT system are more likely to have high control risk?
Sure. I see this system doesn't have a strong internal control. So there are lots of hidden troubles like the segregation of duty, cybersecurity, internal regular testing, and the data quality assurance procedure. These are the loopholes and increase the risk.
Thank you. We'll discuss further based on your suggestion.
Okay, hi. I just wanted to ask you what controls you have with regards to IT in your business.
Yes, well, the server is in a locked room and the system is tested quarterly. The system software requires personal identification before entering. Also, we have an internal audit committee to conduct data quality assurance.
Perfect. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, Liam, I've just done some further investigation and discovered that any staff in Beauty Top has access to the entire system.
Wow, that is a problem. Let's report this to the audit manager.
Okay.
Okay, guys, what seems to be the problem?
We have discovered a flaw in the company's ID authentication system. All staff in Beauty Top has access to the entire system. This indicates that those staff unrelated to the transactions can also make changes to the record.
This may be one of the causes for the sale account misstatement and the unexpected drop of rent expense.
Okay, yeah, I understand. All right, let's shift our focus towards internal auditing and see what else we can discover.
Hey guys, just wanted to tell you, don't go looking too deeply for fraudulent behavior in the company. I own 3% of the company's shares, and I don't want the reputation of the company to be tainted. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay. It appears that the internal audit committee will act with bias because the chairman has incentive and the ability to manipulate numbers to overstate revenue and ignore fraudulent behavior. This means there is likely overstatement in the sales account and lower revenue expense numbers due to the false data inputs.
Yeah, unfortunately, that seems to be the case. This means that there is likely biases within the audit committee, which will result in an ineffective audit.
It appears that the preliminary test results support our assumption that control risk is very high in Beauty Top.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, guys, Wendy and Emma, can you tell us about your findings?
Yeah, after a lot of audit testing, it appears that the inherent risk is very high in the Beauty Top.
Also, we propose significant substantive testing to be done.
Okay, cool. Rainey and Liam, what have you discovered in terms of control risk for this company?
Similar to Wendy and Emma, it was discovered that control risk is very high within Beauty Top.
Correct. And we also propose significant substantive testing to be done, especially in the sales, expense, and rent accounts of the business.
Yeah, okay. This is understood. It appears that inherent risk and control risk are the main risks that are being investigated, as they are very high. Therefore, I propose to set detective risk at a low level and apply 5% profit before tax to guide the audit planning, testing, and assessment. I'm proposing this step because when materiality is set low, more items will fall into the range, and therefore more accounts will be tested in order to get evidence. Does this sound good to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, as we found some problems with their IT systems, we have to look at their automated control to identify what can go wrong in their IT general control.
Since the IT system was developed in this year and managers still not familiar with that, I think we also should do manual controls.
And more substantive testing to do because of the high control risk.
Yeah, quite a lot of work. Rainey said she found something. Rainey, can you tell us what you found?
Yes, I use an analytical procedure by Tableau to identify any job in rent expenses by store's location has big difference with others. Then some of stores which has significant decreases are likely to have problems.
So does this mean we're gonna do more tests of details?
Yeah, you're right. We should look at their contracts and compare it to the records. G'day. Would you be able to send your 16 rental agreements?
Oh yeah, that's fine. I'll send you right away.
Awesome, thank you.
Hey guys, I've looked over the rental agreements given by Beauty Top, and I can't seem to find any evidence which suggests that rent is being discounted.
I cannot find any either. This must mean that there's a material misstatement with expense. Beauty Top must have tried to underestimate expenses in order to overstate profit.
Yeah, we also suspicious that some of the sales invoice recorded in their system are not matched the corresponding source document.
I've already compared this and found that some of the quantities delivered as well as sales price do not match. They can cause a material misstatement with the recognition of revenue causing it to be overstated.
So in order for them to reduce the misstatements, we need Beauty Top to introduce some better automated controls. This would improve detection risk and reduce the risk of material misstatements for the client.
Okay.
G'day, Mr. Wong. After careful and thorough audit, my team have found some concerns which need to be addressed in your business.
Oh no, let me know.
Yeah, so we found some major security breaches with all the staff members having access to the locked server room, allowing for the possibility of the manipulation of financial records.
everyone has success, I will get it changed right away.
Yeah, we recommend that you update the ID authentication to allow certain staff access to this. We've also found that the chairman of the internal audit committee has a 3% stake in the client company. This could create some bias. We suggest you remove him from the internal audit committee. We've also found some issues with recognition of sales and expenses. Sales accounts seems to have price and quantities overstated, and expense accounts seem to be understated. This can lead to overstating of profit through material misstatements. We suggest you improve your automated controls for recording these.
Yes, I'll pass on this concern to my staff to ensure that they make sure the source documents are recorded correctly. And I will also look to improve our automated controls.
Yeah. After you've solved these problems, we'll give an unmodified audit opinion. And as we believe information provided is truthful and fair and is in accordance with Australian Accounting Standards and Corporate Act.
Thank you.
Well done, team, on another successful audit. Let's go and have a drink on me to celebrate.
Good work, guys.
So,